Present simple. The present simple is one of the most common tenses in the English language. It is used to talk about habits, facts, and routines. The present simple form of almost all verbs is the basic form of that verb, except the third person singular. I need a new dress. We want chocolate. When you want to make affirmative sentences in the third person singular, you need to add s to the main verb. He eats breakfast at 9 a.m. The dog drinks water from his bowl. In order to make a negative sentence in the present simple tense, we need to use an auxiliary verb. Do for I, you, we, they. We don't want to buy a house. Does for he, she, it. My brother doesn't get up early. To make yes-no questions, you need to start the sentence with auxiliaries do, does. The subject comes after it, followed by the main verb. They go to school. Do they go to school? Ben remembers me. Does Ben remember me? You can make W8 questions by starting the sentence with W8 word and then use and do, does. The subject comes next, followed by the main verb. I want to eat breakfast at that cafe. Where do you want to eat breakfast? And now I invite you to test your knowledge and leave your answers in the comments.